You can wait. Happy early birthday.
You're on the reserve.
Look at the baby girl.
Around 3 feet tall. Jump off the ground.
Don't you miss me? I'll pick you with my new bitch. I still hang around. Even though you cap. I give a tea, ring, but you look just how that feel. I'm on my way when I'm fucking deep vision. Keep just a sitter, near me, get my body across. Why you want it? Run away to me like a school. Why did I just do it?
Nancy, all of those animals out here today. What did you really have some?
There was a sign made they recognize.
They're the only domesticated animals amongst the animals on the reserve. There's usually some that walk into Africa in the morning to look at.
So different, it is make a difference.
They don't weigh about 35 pounds because they have a honeycomb structure. The coat pattern, they recognize each other. That probably sweeps up their morning routine quite a bit because they're not going to start their day until they greet every single member of their family. These dogs are very group-oriented animals, constantly working together and communicating.